Into a Thursday, January 4th, Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Botato of eXp Realty, your BC, Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap lakefront specialist. And something to look forward to off the top, Deloitte Canada's latest forecast suggesting that the home and native lands economy will likely return to growth in the second half of this year, and that interest rates should begin to come down again by this spring, with several economists pointing to April. With lower mortgage rates in the crystal ball, Canada's two largest and most expensive housing markets are expecting a new buying surge after a down year in 2023. Final numbers showing just over 26,000 closings last year in Vancouver, down 10.3%, while Toronto counted 66,000 sales, or 12% fewer. Named one of Canada's top-rated business podcasts by FeedSpot and available around the world on X, TikTok, and wherever you get your favorite podcast, Canada's Business Beat is proudly sponsored by Eric Botato of eXp Realty. Considering a move to BC's wine country? Eric is your BC, Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap Lakeview specialist at OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com. Despite higher interest rates, 2023 was a heck of a year for Canada's car lots. New deliveries ahead by 11.8% from 2022, the biggest year-over-year sales jump since 1997. In the energy space, Petro-Canada parent Suncor is seeing a sharply higher stock price after reporting its second highest quarter for oil production, Q4 output amounting to 808,000 barrels a day. The company's earnings for those 3 months due out February 21st. Vancouver-based Ballard Power has just announced another big deal, a long-term electric battery supply agreement with Winnipeg bus maker NFI. No dollar amount mentioned, though. And Quebec-based convenience store giant Couche-Tard just got a whole lot bigger, completing the acquisition of more than 2,000 gas station stores in Europe for 3.1 billion euros. And with that, you're up to date for this Thursday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Botato and OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com.